Are you wondering what to do if Bluetooth is not properly working on your Google Pixel 10a or Pixel 10 or 10 Pro? For example, if you try to connect any device, it's you either basically can't find it, or also maybe it simply doesn't work very well, keep disconnecting, and again has a bunch of problems. So for example, again, if you try to pair something, it never actually appears. So there are two main things that you can do. First, what I suggest do is simply go in your system settings over here and click on your reset options. And you see you can reset your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi adapter here. So you can click this and essentially it will turn off the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi adapter and turn it back on, and also clear the cache for it. And that fixes most of these issues. If that still doesn't fix this, I also suggest to do a soft like reset on this phone. So like a reboot, basically forced reboot, that also can actually help solve these issues. So the way we do it, we hold the power button plus the volume up for maybe like 10 seconds. So let me start timer and see how long it takes. So again, the power plus volume up, keep holding for maybe like 10 seconds. It will shut off eventually. Okay. So it's literally right around 10 seconds. So during this step, essentially, it's also clearing again the Bluetooth adapter here. And again, also resetting everything pretty much on the phone. So again, it's a soft reset. It doesn't delete anything. It doesn't change anything on your phone. It simply like also tries to heal itself if it can detect if there's something wrong with the phone. So it will take some time to boot up. Okay. And once it boots up, so wait a bit and try again connecting. So these are probably the best things you can do. Okay, good luck.